So we're going to the beach.
Yeah.
Well, we're just following the crowd because there's so many people, and I'm pretty sure they know where they're going, unless everyone's just following everyone and no one knows where they're going. I see the sea. I also see the Sea Life Centre, and I kind of really want to go. Yay! We have our own one of these. And I'm so excited. Woo! Hey! I'm on the internet. Yay. Yeah, that's cool. We've left the beach now, but I think we're gonna go and get a curry, so it's okay.
How about this one first? Which one? This one. Okay. And then you pull this like this. Holding with this, and then you just use your index finger to push it up.
Yes.
No, okay. Yeah?
I can't do this.
No, okay, so. Thing is, no. It's like you put it like this. This doesn't move. You hold this, you don't hold this, and you. No. No pressure here, no pressure here. Push it. No, see it, Pablo? You're pushing it with this hand. No, this doesn't bend.
Very
Don't bend
funny.
this, otherwise it'll break. Don't bend this.
I'm not, because that's not gonna happen.
Hey, so I am back in my room. I've just been watching some YouTube videos and stuff. Now I am off to sleep because I'm super tired. It's been a long day. But the beach was amazing and I had really good fun. I think tomorrow we might be going sailing, which will be cool. So I might be able to vlog. Yeah. Good night, everybody.